Hi, I'm Sarah from CompleteAITraining.com, and in this video, we'll explore the exciting journey of transitioning to an AI specialized marketing manager role. We'll cover the essential skills you need, the steps to get started, and how to leverage AI to revolutionize your marketing strategies. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this guide will help you navigate the evolving landscape of AI in marketing. Let's dive in. By becoming an AI specialized marketing manager, you can future proof your skills, ensuring you stay relevant in an ever evolving industry. You'll open doors to more job opportunities as companies increasingly seek professionals with AI expertise. Plus, you'll likely command a higher salary thanks to the efficiency and productivity gains AI tools provide. Embrace this role to not only enhance your career, but also to lead the charge in innovative marketing strategies. At CompleteAITraining.com, we offer comprehensive courses and a certification program designed to help you become an AI specialized marketing manager. With the rapid pace of AI developments, staying updated is crucial. That's why we ensure you're always informed about the latest advancements in AI that are relevant to marketing managers. Our curriculum is continuously updated to reflect the newest trends and technologies so you can maintain a competitive edge in the industry. Our AI video training programs are tailored specifically for marketing managers. Dive into the latest prompt courses, explore custom GPTs designed for specialized tasks, and access a curated selection of AI tools. At Complete AI Training, our course and certification program will equip you with the skills to excel as an AI specialized marketing manager. If you're interested in this course, please check out CompleteAITraining.com and search for marketing managers. You can sign up for as low as $99 a year to get access to all video trainings, prompts, custom GPTs, AI tools, and one free certification per year. Don't wait to become an AI expert marketing manager. You can start a 3-day trial today.